Good morning, y'all. Uh, trying to trying to buy this area here. I'm not sure if that was a good enough retrace down up to this 38.5. We are pushing down. The pressure finally released out of this 41.81, and also the 67.65. How it was holding the band. Now we're starting to get that push away.
Order pending. Order pending. Order filled.
Sliced right through it. What the heck done it?
Order pending.
See, everything's still pushing, so I'm going against here.
Order pending. Order pending. Order filled.
Sit back and wait. Been patient all morning. Missed the initial move down, so really didn't think that they were gonna let this release until after lunch. I really had the assumption that they were gonna do this, chop back and forth to lightly up till lunch,
Order filled.
and then do this. So my timing was off.
Order pending. Order pending. Order pending. Order pending.
Take half off up on this push back up here. Hope everybody enjoys their weekend. Hope everybody's safe. Really didn't get the setup I was looking for this morning. I really thought that they might take a shot at 11:46. They made it to 11:43.6, so didn't quite get there. So I'll pause it, come back. All right, gonna try to buy this here. Add in. And price just stopped, man.
Order canceled. filled.
See, it's pushing. We'll see if this makes a bull flag here. This can make a bull flag. This holds inside the band. We'll start turning this thing around here. But it could come all the way back over here though. Hold inside the underneath on top of the bottom band, which would still push it down a little further. So it'd be, got to keep that in the back of your mind here. But I haven't really seen a real back test.
Order pending.
See it of this low, but it's 80, 38 half. I need to see it come up and touch and fail. So I'm gonna front run a little bit with half, a little more than half.
Order pending.
I'm gonna pause it, come back. Alright guys, holding in, we came back, tested the 100. So we're still pushing down. Keeping an eye on the really short time frame to see if they're gonna turn for us or not. If not, we'll take the stop. But looking for first test. I'm looking for a retest of this blue line. Come up underneath and then we'll see what we got going on. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm playing for. If we get most of them here, I'll cancel this, pull this in, and reevaluate then. So I'll be back. Alright, still waiting waiting for this test up here.
Order canceled. Order pending. Order pending. Order pending.
Let's see if we can get it. Let's go. Come on, let's push this thing.
Order pending.
Looking for a whole lot here. Alright, I'll pause it. Alright, man, this thing just wondering if we finally we finally got it. Now we're gonna be just sideways. And timing was off today, that's for sure. See if we can get up there. Said not a huge trade, but just playing the 100% extension. You see, it's trying to hold, but I would think if we don't go up here and test it this time, we might be in a little bit of trouble here. I want this retest. If we come all the way back up, we retest it, it fails, then then you have an idea what's going to happen here. But I'm not counting this little push here as a retest. Sure, we retested these lows, but 38 half is more important to me. I'll pause it, come back. And trying to come into it for a retest here. There we go. got greedy.
Order canceled. Order pending.
Let's see if we can get it.
Order canceled.
This is the test.
Order filled.
There
Order
we go.
canceled.
All right, we've got 2 left. We'll see what we do here. Actually, I'm gonna.
Order pending.
It's doing what I wanted it to do. There's no reason to sit here and.
Order filled. Order canceled.
All right. All right, my stop got taken out.
Order pending.
Alright, I'll pause it. We'll see where they want to take this last one. Let's see. I've got a 2-tick boundary. So watch a little baseball. Got to get out of here. I'm supposed to be meeting some people to watch some of these games today. So I'll pause it. Come back whenever I get out of the shower. Talk to y'all later. All right, getting that push up. I'm gonna come underneath here. Let's see. I'll come underneath there. I'm testing the opening range lows right now. What you would like to see is just to come up, come back, hold. They might do some wiggling here. We're starting to get some separation from the 144, but we'll lock it in and see what we can get. See if we can squeeze out a little bit more here. We do have that settlement price and VWAP in the same spot. All right, bam, right in the open, the settlement price. Let's see if we can come back and hold the 165. That was a nice quick push up though. Probably should have just sold into that and been done with it. The time of day. I'm out. I'm done for the day. Everybody enjoy your holiday. Be safe.